What vegetable do you like? Andy, why don't you eat your carrots?
Oh, I don't like carrots.
Then, what vegetables do you like?
I like broccoli. Hey, why don't you eat all those peas, Lucy?
I don't like peas.
What vegetables do you like, Lucy?
I like spinach and potatoes. How about you, Anna? What vegetables do you like?
I like carrot and eggplant. But I don't like broccoli. All vegetables are healthy.
Hi, Ryan.
Ryan, come here. Sit with us. My mother said we should eat all vegetables, even if we don't like it.
Yes, right. My mother always said that too.
Right. Even a little. I still have to eat this carrot.
We need to eat vegetables so we can stay healthy. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe ya. Terima kasih.